When I started freelancing, managing clients and projects seemed straightforward. But as I took on more and more clients, I realized I needed a better system. I used to think you needed expensive software like Salesforce or HubSpot, monthly subscriptions and all that, but as a new freelancer, I had no budget for that. So I asked myself, can I build my own CRM? In Excel, the answer was yes. And that one spreadsheet changed everything. I started with a simple table: client name, email, project type, status, last contacted, and next follow-up date. Then I made it a bit more dynamic by adding drop-down menus. When you start typing a client name, it should automatically show their email from your contacts list. If you select web design from the project type, the status should change to in progress. And the last contacted and next follow-up dates should auto-populate based on the date of the last update. That's what I did. Next, I created a summary dashboard on another sheet. I put in the total leads, active clients, conversion rate, and more. All of these are automated with formulas. It looked clean, it worked beautifully. And I didn't pay a rupee or a dollar for software. What started as a personal system became something others wanted. A fellow freelancer saw my setup and asked, "Where'd you get this?" I said, "I built it." Then I cleaned up the file, branded it, and uploaded it to Gumroad. It started selling. This tool that I made for myself became a client management system for dozens of other freelancers. The best part, I knew exactly how it worked and I could improve it anytime. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to build your own CRM in Excel with dropdowns, auto reminders, and dashboards, all without code. Whether you use it for yourself or sell it as a digital product, this CRM will help you work smarter, stay organized, and maybe even earn on the side.